Performing ripple edits. You can avoid introducing gaps when trimming by using the Ripple Edit tool, rather than the Selection tool. You can use the Ripple Edit tool to trim a clip in the same way that you use the Selection tool. When you use the Ripple Edit tool to change the duration of a clip, the adjustment ripples through the sequence. That is, clips after the clip you have trimmed slide to the left to fill the gap, or they slide to the right to make room if the clip gets longer. Let's try it. Open the Sequence 11 Ripple Edit. The Ripple Edit tool is usually available in the Tools panel. Because you recently used the Rate Stretch tool, the Ripple Edit tool will be hidden. Press and hold the Rate Stretch tool to reveal and select the Ripple Edit tool. Hover the Ripple Edit tool over the inside right edge of the 7th clip, shot 7, until it turns into a yellow, left-facing bracket and arrow. The shot is too short, so let's add some more footage from the clip handle. Drag to the right until the time code in the tooltip reads plus 00000110. Notice that while you're using the Ripple Edit tool, the program monitor displays the last frame of the clip on the left side of the edit and the first frame of the clip on the right side. The image updates dynamically while you trim. Release the drag to complete the edit. The clip you have trimmed now has a longer duration, so the clip to its right slides right to make space for it. Play that part of the sequence to see whether the edit works smoothly. Make another trimming adjustment. Add another +2 seconds to the end of the shot 7 clip. Play through the newly trimmed edit between shot 7 and shot 8. This time, trimming has exposed a slight on-camera shake that you will work on next.